So for the sideline stretches, we want to work on a lower back and quad area. So quads, take your leg. So this foot right here is pretty much going to go to as farthest back it can and go right into your hip area. This palm is going to go to her lower back. And then you're just going to go to the side.
Ooh, quads.
Mm-hmm. Right, you heard her quads, right? It's a deep quad stretch on the front side, and I'm pushing in the lower back to stretch out psoas, because the psoas is on the front side and hooks into the leg. So you're pushing in so you can get a deeper stretch as well. And it is a little painful, but it's a good stretch. So we relax, right? We reset, because it can be, whew, if your psoas hasn't been stretched before, you're gonna get this type of response. It's a little spicy, like for real.
Spicy.
It's got a little twang to it, so we gotta be careful. So just go back and forth, stretch out the leg, and then we're gonna go again. Deep breath in. Mm-hmm. Right, so that stretch is not playing around. It's no joke, like for real. Oh, Lord. All right, Christy, we're ready. I'm sorry. Yeah, but it's a good stretch. It's like, oh, I
It
feel
was a
little
good
loose.
stretch.
I feel looser on this side now.
How do you feel, looser?
Probably created a monster, man.
No, we only did a little bit of this is nothing.
You want to be stressed again? Is that part of your spa treatment now?
It might be. You might have
treatment.
to.
No, so we all need to be stretched because this. Oh.
There's food up there, and can you help me with washing her hair?